Sktv presents the Manipur Files Special Edition, a marathon discussion on the topic Manipur Unrest, Geopolitics and Geo-Economics, live from Harmony Hall, the Junction, Ningthemcha, Karong, Imphal West, only on Sktv on 28th of January 2025 at 1 p.m. Program host Raj Nongthombam, editor Sktv, panel members Haurokcham Anil, Secretary Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, Social Scientist, Ningthemcha Satyajit Singh, UNI Bureau Head, and Dr. MC Arun, Professor, Department of Anthropology, Manipur University. Special highlights: interactions with panelists and eminent personalities, scholars, etc. on analytical views, strategies, economic upliftment, and many more. Don't miss it. The Manipur Files, a journey through the past, present, and future of Manipur.